Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is a fascinating product with a rich history. It all began in the 19th century when a young chemist named Robert Chesebro discovered a thick, waxy substance on oil rigs. Intrigued, he refined it, creating a versatile balm that would soon become a household staple. What makes Vaseline so special? It's a blend of mineral oils and waxes, forming a protective barrier on the skin. This barrier locks in moisture, making it perfect for healing dry skin, chapped lips, and even minor cuts. Interestingly, Vaseline is not just for skincare. It has countless uses around the house. From preventing squeaky hinges to helping remove makeup, its versatility is unmatched. And did you know that Vaseline has been a part of many beauty routines for over a century? It's a timeless remedy that proves that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So next time you reach for that jar, remember, you're using a product that's been cherished for generations.